What's going on, guys? Haben Godefa here, Master of Self. Today's video, we're going to talk about the importance of just shooting your shot and making adjustments as you go. I feel like majority of people in society are always trying to master a craft in private without releasing anything. So whether you're a creative, you're a business owner, it's almost like analysis paralysis. You'll just try to get as much information as possible, and so that you feel like you're finally ready to do something. To be less vague, I'll give you an example. Yesterday, I released a song. Some of y'all may not know. I said some of y'all, like I have subscribers. It's like 13 subscribers. Yesterday, I released a song called Zero Sum Game on Spotify, Apple Music, all that. And I realized this morning that one of the mixes that I did not upload, so I had like 3 versions of the song, right? Just different mixes. I realized that the version that I uploaded wasn't better than the version 1. I uploaded version 3. And my response to that was, this dog is so annoying. My response to that was, get like whatever, like I'll get it right on the next time. Or if I end up adding it to an album later on, I'll just update the mix later on. But like, oh well, I have a new song coming out next week, right? So my mentality is like, just shoot. Creators gotta create, shooters gotta shoot, and then make adjustments in real time. One of my biggest pet peeves is like when somebody is super talented. I have a lot of talented friends, whether they are musicians, just creatives in general, and they'll just sit on material. They'll just sit on material, waiting for the right time, waiting to the point where they think it's ready. Spoiler alert, if you wait until you're ready, you'll be waiting forever. I have friends who play me songs from like 3 years ago, and I'm like, bro, I've already heard this song. And they're like, yeah, but it's an updated version. Man, put it out. Like, you could have 50 songs out by now, but you have 1 song, 3 songs, or no songs at all, you know? And this applies to anything. This applies to business. This applies to people that want to create content or just want to pursue anything. And like when you actually are a creator and you're putting material out into the world, even if you're creating content, some people will spend so much time trying to make the perfect piece of content, and it'll take them 2 weeks to make. You know, they shoot it over the course of 2 days, and then they edit it over the course of 2 weeks, and they finally plan a release date and they put it out. Okay, cool, but the next guy, a little kid in his room, 17-year-old Jimmy, who lives in Omaha, Nebraska, made 5 pieces of content in 1 day. And he's doing that every day. He has 35 pieces of content at the end of the week, and he's scheduling them out. He might not even edit them. He might look at them, cool, make the thumbnail, boom, schedule them. And then when it comes out, he'll look at the content and be like, oh, I forgot I even shot this. That's how I am with my songs. I'll put out a song, and then I'll come back to it. I'll hear it again once it's released, and I'll be like, oh, I forgot I even uploaded this, or I forgot what this even sounded like. Man, if you wait until you are ready, you will be waiting forever. Shoot your shot and adjust in real time. This whole notion about quality over quantity is BS. And yes, that may have worked at a certain time period, but in today's day and age, it is quantity over quality. And you could have quantity and quality at the same time, you know? Granted, something can always be better. It can always be worked on. Man, billion-dollar companies do this. Like Tesla does it, automobile companies do it, tech companies do it. They'll release a product and then they'll update it over the course of time. Or they'll be like, hey, we're sending out new versions. Or, hey, we're doing a callback on all the Teslas that were sent out between the months of April and July. And we're going to send you a new one, updated version. Like, billion-dollar companies do this. And you're afraid to do this and nobody knows you? Stop being such a puss. Stop being such a ish. Just put out the content, create. And one of the only ways you can really grow, not the only way, but the best way you can grow is when you let go of something. It's very hard to analyze something when it's in your possession because you're looking at it like this. It's like everything is so just up front of your face. You can't even zoom out. Once you let go of something, you finally release it emotionally, physically, and then once you step away from it, then you come back to it. Once it's out in the world, then you look at it with new eyes, a new perception. You hear things different, you see things different. But if it's always in your possession, you're only going to hear it and see it, and feel and like emotionally connect with it in one possible way. But it's not until you let go of it, then you're able to see it for what it is. A lot of times too, I'll let things go and then I'll come back to it once it's out and I'll be like, oh, it's actually better than I thought it was, right? But whatever mistakes or edits you want to make, do it on the next one. You're so concerned about this one little thing as if you can't make more. I remember Bruno Mars said this once. This always stuck with me. Bruno Mars was telling a story about when he was an up and coming songwriter, when no one in the world knew who he was. This like label came to him. They're like, "Hey, you have this song. We want this song. We'll give you 20,000 for it." And Bruno went back to one of his songwriting friends. He's like, "Man, this record label, they want to give me 20,000 for this song, but like that's my art. Like they want me to sell it." And his writer friend was like, "Yo, stop acting like a bitch. You wait. So wait, that's your only song? You can't make another song? You think you're just like you don't have an abundance of just like material you can make?" And he said that changed his whole perspective. Like let it go. I'll make more, you know? So anyway, moral of the story is stop being so afraid to just shoot your shot. The only way to get better is by getting your reps in and put more content out there. People are looking for you. There's people out in the world that need you, but they're never gonna find you if you're always just keeping everything on the hard drive. Shoot your shot. Don't be afraid to fail, and just adjust in real time. Make adjustments in real time, and you'll get better over the course of time. And while someone else is working on perfecting one single piece of content or artwork, whatever, you'll be miles ahead, 100 miles ahead, 1,000 miles ahead, because you were adjusting as you go. You weren't standing in place. You were on the move and you were making adjustments as you go. While they're still stuck here trying to perfect their move, you're out of sight. So hopefully this video has served some value in your life. I'm just turning the camera on, I'm talking, and I'm gonna just get better as I go. As you can see, I'm a living example of what I'm talking about. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. More daily videos. Again, I'm Haben Godefa, Master of Self. You guys like this, subscribe to my newsletter as well, link below. I'm doing a weekly newsletter every Tuesday called Master of Self. Just helping people get better, helping people realize that everything they need they have within them already. So you already know, I love you guys. Take care until next time.